many people not only are walking by, but how many of them are looking at their phones, how many of them are using their phone, that could be like listening to earbuds or something. They're interacting, they're having, their phone is part of what they're doing. And there's a lot of people sort of getting to work, they're zoning out, and then there are other people who are looking at their phones, like I have to get this done before I walk into the office, I guess is what they're doing. And then there are people who are just like gripping their phones. They're not looking at them, but they're at the ready. If they needed to look at their phone, they could. Celebrity even walked by. Emily Blunt walked by. Was she on her phone? No. She was having a Zen moment. I think she was coming from the gym.